Assalamu alaikum learners, my name is Moazzam Ali and welcome to Data Analysis with Python course offered by MT Learners. In this video, we will talk about data cleaning, how to deal with missing values and with noisy data. Data cleaning is the process to remove incorrect data, incomplete data and inaccurate data from the data sets. And it is also replace the missing values. Data cleaning is a critically important step in any machine learning project. When no data value is stored for a feature for a particular observation, we say this feature has a missing value. Usually, missing value in dataset appears as question mark and a zero or just a blank cell. Standard values like not available or NaN can be used to replace the missing values. When we have to deal with the missing values, we can simply drop the tuple when we have a big data set and it is not recommended for small data sets. Missing values can also be filled manually, but it is not recommended when that data set is big. The attribute's mean value can be used to replace the missing value when the data set is normally distributed, where in the case of non-normal distribution, median value of the attribute can be used. We might fill the missing values with a global constant while using regression or decision tree algorithms, the missing value can be replaced by the most probable value. Noisy generally means random error or containing unnecessary data points. Here are some of the methods to handle noisy data. First of all, binning. Binning is a method that is used to smooth or handle noisy data. First, the data is sorted and then the sorted values are separated and stored in the form of bins. Then, regression. This is used to smooth the data and will help to handle data when unnecessary data is present. For the analysis purpose, regression helps to decide the variable which is suitable for our analysis. Then clustering. Clustering is used for finding the outliers and also in grouping the data. Clustering is generally used in unsupervised learning. In the upcoming video, we will look at data integration, data reduction, and data transformation. Thanks for watching this video.